Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari F8 Tributo and the 488 GTB. We will explore their evolution, focusing on how the F8 Tributo builds upon its predecessor. Our discussion will cover engine power, aerodynamic advancements, and interior refinements. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of what makes each of these Italian masterpieces unique and which might be the better choice for you. Under the hood, both cars feature a potent 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. However, the F8 Tributo elevates power to 710 horsepower, a significant increase over the 488 GTB's 661 horsepower. This translates to quicker acceleration, with the F8 hitting 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, a tenth of a second faster than the 488 GTB's 3.0 seconds. The F8 also offers slightly more torque at 568 pound-feet. The F8 Tributo showcases substantial aerodynamic advancements, boasting a 10% improvement in efficiency over the 488 GTB. A notable feature is the S-duct, which alone increases front downforce by 15%. The F8 also sheds 88 pounds, contributing to its agility. Inside, the F8 Tributo presents a completely redesigned cabin with a smaller steering wheel and a new 7-inch passenger display, enhancing both driver focus and passenger engagement. When it comes to the driving experience, the F8 Tributo refines the already exceptional 488 GTB. With updated vehicle dynamics control systems, the F8 makes its immense power more accessible and controllable. While the 488 GTB delivers a raw, engaging feel, the F8 Tributo offers a more polished and technologically advanced drive. If you seek the latest in Ferrari's V8 evolution with cutting-edge tech, the F8 is your choice. For a slightly more traditional, yet still exhilarating, experience, the 488 GTB remains a fantastic option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.